AI is going to make social media extremely toxic and we can't do anything about it. Here's why. Number one, generative AI has the potential to make really compelling and good deep fakes. All of our faces can be converted into deep fakes and you wouldn't even need to come in front of the camera to make a video. It will be so hard for us to differentiate what is real and what is fake. A great example of this was an ad that was running on TikTok with Joe Rogan in it, and he never said the words that were being spoken in that ad. That is extremely scary. Number two, there are Snapchat filters right now which can make our skin look amazing, and these filters are getting better and better because of AI. Well, in the next 6 months to 1 year, you wouldn't be able to even tell whether somebody's face has an Instagram or a Snapchat filter on top of it. It will be so hard to differentiate between what's real and what's not. In an already fake world, this is really terrifying. And number three, companies like TikTok are already using AI in their algorithm to make sure it becomes more and more addictive to people like you and I. This is only going to doom not just our generation, but the generation moving forward. This is super concerning, not just for people like you and I, but also our democracy, because spreading fake news will be so simple. A lot of hate will be spread across the world if AI moves at the speed with which it is moving right now. What do you think about this? Let me know in the comments.